Guys, you have no idea how hard it is to do this with one hand. But I'm gonna go out there. I'm not allowed to get my cast wet, so I've put it under my coat because I can't get it through the thing. Oh god. I'm gonna step out and I'm gonna put you guys in. Oh god, this is gonna be the worst thing ever, but I'm gonna put you guys in here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh! I'm not going out there. Oh wait, I got an idea. I put my hand behind my back so that it's fully in my coat. Oh Jesus, just open properly. Stick to the magnet. It's like a magnet on the back of the door. Maybe the wind's just pulling it off. But I'm gonna get soaked as soon as I go out here. Oh! I ain't going out there again. Look at it. Right then, I'll put you in my broken hand and just very quickly. Terrible. I ain't not doing that again. I need to lock this now. God, I just realised I have to use my ribs to help me lock it. God. Good, I've locked it. I'm never doing that again. See you later. Bye.